Welcome, guys, to another Let's Play episode. Today we are playing. My headphones are about to fall off my head again. Why does this happens in like every video? So welcome, guys, to another Let's Play episode. Today we are finally back. It's falling off my head again. This won't stick in my head. So today we are back for Pokemon Emerald. I know it's been forever. So since I did a little new update where there's gonna be a song at like the beginning of every episode. That means I might have a random song. I don't know what song for right now. I haven't checked. So I hope you guys like the song at least. I keep on running through the wall. Okay. Dude, that was just rude. I was just walking down the hallway like a casual person. You just jump right in front of me. I go, nope, you're not going down. Oh, hello.
I've been developing an update feature for the PokéNav. And it turned out great. Creeper, may I see that PokéNav? The one our president gave you? Here you go, Creeper. Added a new feature named Call Match to your PokéNav. Using the Call Match feature, you can chat with people you have been registered in your PokéNav.
He sounds like a robot.
Creeper, our President Stone should be registered in your PokéNav. Test it out. Please give our president a call.
Okay, so I guess it's the PokéNav. Match call. Oh, Creeper. Since you called me, the PokéNav must be working properly. Other people will be registered, so try calling them too. Good, good. You seem quite happy. How could I know that? It's because I'm looking down from my office window. That is hilarious. See you again.
Okay, I'm actually kind of scared. Okay, I better get back to work. Please take care, Creeper.
I'm a little rusty, so I think we need to go back down here. But first, I caught two Pokemon. Let's go Skitty and Abra. Let's go grab them. I don't care. Wait, I know I healed them. I want to get to the computer. Maybe someone's PC. Deposit Pokemon. I want to deposit maybe the Lotted. If you're going to have like a little... And maybe the Shroomish because that's like a grass Pokemon. I already have one right here, which is a lot better. And withdraw. We have an Abra on level 7. That's going to be like our little teleporting mate. And I think I know what teleport means. If I'm not, then I must be really stupid. I'm just going to heal up. Let's go on our adventure. And probably grab some extra Pokeballs too. No. Do you see who that is? It's Monet. Hurry into the Pokemon right now. She might not have found us in here. She's probably gonna be angry. I haven't showed up in like, well, I actually don't really know the time in this area. But I haven't showed up in days. Okay, maybe I'll just walk past her, and she finds.
Oh, hi, Creeper. You had match call feature put in your PokéNav. Let's register each other so we can contact each other anytime.
Yeah, how about like tomorrow? Okay, does that sound good? And no.
Oh, by the way, I passed Mr. Bernie
birds. I guess he's on his way home. In his cottage by the sea. That's what I thought. How's your Pokedex coming along, Creeper? Mine looks pretty decent. So how about a little battle? Yeah, I guess. You don't know, I could just train. You're just becoming a trainer, Creeper. I'm not going to lose. Yeah, like the loss of the last 2 battles, is it? 1 or 2 battles. Can't remember how many battles we had. It's been actually forever. Like a bus can kill you in like, oh. I was saying in 1 hit, but no. I don't think so. Okay, he's cursed. I think that's just, yeah, makes his speed down, so that means he can't hit really well. It increases some of his, I guess, kind of important stuff. Okay, here's your Mudkip. Oh, look at that little Mudkip. You know what's funny? He's on level 15, so that means next time we meet her, she's going to have the evolved version. I don't know what I think is funny, but to me it is. Come on, he only has like 1 health. 1! You know what? I'm going to do something really funny. I'm going to peck ya. Peck. Peck. Oh yeah, you grew to level 20. Yikes! You're better than I expected. Yes, 'cause I am your father, I think. Goodbye. I feel really awkward now. Oh, by the way, Mr. Bernie, who just passed, Creeper, you just moved here, so you might not know this, but Mr. Bernie was once a revered seafarer, whatever that means, but I already know that. So, too bad, so sad. You can't make me learn anything. Okay. Well, I'm glitched there. I am glitched again. I'm glitching. I'm actually glitching like crazy. So is there someone in here? If that makes any sense. Wait a second. Okay, that is kind of weird, but I need to talk to you. Hold on, Les. Wait up, Pecco. He's actually right behind you. He's like sniffing your butt. You're Creeper. You saved my darling Pecco. We owe you so much to you. We owe so much to you there. I can't speak well. I can't speak at all. You want to sail with me? You have a letter bound to Denford and a package to Sailport. Then, quite the busy life you must lead. But certainly, what you asking is no problem at all. Are you sure? Okay, then. I was about to say Mr. Bernie. But Denford it is, then. Anchors away, Pecco. We're saying sail, my darling. A boat! A boat! Oh no. Who's it? Beep. Oh! My dad. Hey Dad. Oh, Creeper. Where are you now? It sounds windy wherever you are. I just heard from Denver and Mr. Stone about your Pokénap, so I decided to give you a call. Okay. It sounds like you're doing fine. So that's fine with me. You take care now. Click. Now I'm my dad. But I'm on a boat. I can't feel sad. I'm on a boat, boat, boat. I'm on a boat, boat, boat. I like those boats, boats. The boat brought me to an island. I suppose you're off to deliver that letter to... Who was it now? Steven? Yes. Denver was a tiny island. Community is something gets trendy here. Everyone picks up on it right away. This is run own fishing spot. Are you getting the itch to fish? I guess. I hear you. I like that. What? I like what you're saying there. I give you one of my fishing rods. Are you kidding me? I got old rod. And as an added bonus, I throw you a little fishing advice. First you want to face the water, then use the rod. Focus your mind. If you get a bite, pull on the rod. I actually can't speak right now. Sometimes there, you can snag something immediately, but with bigger catches, you need a time to pull out your rod to hail them in. Ooh, I can speak to him later. I didn't want to talk to him, but I guess excellent. That's right. That's great. Haul some bigger ones. So if I go to my bag, it should be in my key items pocket, if I'm correct. There. An old rod. There it is. Now I've been a nibble. Let's check some other places. You know, I think there's more beach up here. This is the fisher's life. Ah, I got away. Oh, I don't want to battle. Unless you're the second weakest trainer ever, then I'm okay. What do people do when they need to go to a washroom? What if my rod hook? A big one while I'm in the washroom? I just can't go. I don't get that. That sounds pretty weird. There I have this battle and actually, you know, it is pretty weak. It's, you know, it's going to double kick you and like kill you in like one hit. You know, those kinds of things, right? So tentacle, how's your day? Oh, he died. I lost because I was trying not to go to the... this is the best. That is like the best joke ever made on Pokemon Go. Or not Pokemon Go, Pokemon Emerald. I swear that Tycoon's getting to my mind now. I decided to fish one more time. It might even be a good bite. I got Tentacle. Peck. Wait, I need Pokemon now. Come on. Where's Pokeballs? Way past it. Pokeball throw. There it is, the end of our episode. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. I caught a Tentacool. Goodbye.